Hey, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access Tab menu and look for Lock Orientation icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is now blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same one. You can also go into settings instead and tap on display section. Now scroll down and tap on this blue switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is now off. If you want to turn it back on, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!